Welcome to HomePantry Pro. If you are tired of bulky kitchen appliances taking up all your counter space, or if you are tired of cooking giant portions of food that you end up throwing away, then today is your lucky day. We are looking at the Fullwill electric pressure cooker Lite. This is a 3-quart powerhouse designed specifically for singles, couples, or small families. Let us talk about the design first. It is compact, which means it fits into smaller kitchens or apartments without feeling like it is taking over the entire room. Despite its small size, it does not skimp on technology. You are getting 7 cooking functions in one single device. You can sauté, pressure cook, slow cook, make stews, cook rice, and more. It is essentially an all-in-one kitchen tool that replaces a variety of standalone gadgets. One of the standout features here is the inner pot. It is a ceramic non-stick surface, which is a huge deal for anyone who hates scrubbing burnt food. It is PFOA-free, scratch-resistant, and cleanup is honestly a breeze. You just wipe it out and you are good to go. Now, safety is always a concern with pressure cookers, but Fullwill has included multiple safety mechanisms here. It has overheat protection and a secure lid locking system that keeps you safe while the unit is pressurized. It is also CETL approved, and the company provides a 1-year assurance, which gives you that extra peace of mind. For the busy people out there, the delay start function is a game changer. You can program the cooker to begin at a specific time so that you can come home to a hot, fresh meal. And once it is done, the automatic keep warm feature holds your food at the perfect temperature until you are ready to plate it. Looking at the pros and cons, the biggest advantage is definitely the size. It is perfect for portion control and saving space. It is incredibly user-friendly, so even if you have never used a pressure cooker before, you will find the interface very intuitive. The non-stick pot is another major win for maintenance. On the flip side, keep in mind that this is a 3-quart model. If you are planning on feeding a family of 4 or 5, or if you like to do heavy meal prep for the whole week, this might be too small for you. This is specifically for those who value efficiency over massive capacity. In conclusion, the Fullwill electric pressure cooker Lite is a fantastic investment for anyone living in a smaller space or looking to simplify their cooking routine. It is safe, efficient, and very easy to clean. If you want to take your kitchen game to the next level without the clutter, this is a solid choice. Link in the description.